Hi, everyone. If you have a workflow that works great, you shouldn't have to build it more than once. Using templates lets you save your best setups so you can reuse them or share them with others. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in, save your work as a template, and send it to your team. Step 1. Signing in. First, go to the Clickup sign-in page and enter your login details to access your workspace. Once you are in, look at the sidebar and pick the specific space that you want to turn into a template. Before we save it, double-check your tasks and statuses to make sure everything looks right. If you plan on sharing this with people outside your company, be sure to delete any private or secret information first. Now that your space is ready, click on Space Settings. From the menu that pops up, choose Templates and then click Save as Template. This opens a screen where you can give your template a clear name so you can find it easily later. Make sure the name explains exactly what the workflow is for, like Weekly Marketing Plan or Project Launch Checklist. Next, you need to decide who can see your template. You have two main choices. Choose Workspace only if you only want your own team members to be able to use it, or choose Public Link if you want to create a link that you can send to anyone, even people who don't work in your office. Once you've picked your setting, click Save Template to add it to your library. Step 4. Testing everything. Before you start using it for real, you should always test it out. Go to your sidebar and create a brand new test space. Go to your template library, find your new template, and apply it. Check to make sure every task, status, and layout appeared exactly the way you wanted. This ensures that when you actually use it for a big project, everything will run perfectly. Saving as templates is the best way to save time and keep your work organized. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.